Hey guys, I know many of you guys have been asking why your film tacks before you even start squeegeeing it. The reason is that sometimes these windows, they have a coating or maybe Rain-X, something, whatever. So it makes the water bead. And the way you could tell if you're gonna have issues with your glass is spray water. And as you could see, you see how some of the water is sheeting and some of it is beading, like over here. That right there means that it has a coating, so it's going to be super difficult for, well, especially for me being outside, to try to tint without that thing tacking right away. So to get rid of that, there's this thing called torching the glass, technically torching the coating. So you get yourself one of these. You could find them at Home Depot. Make sure that you get, I forgot the name of the torch tip, but I'll figure it out for you guys. So watch what happens. You see that white part right there? It technically means that it's burning off the coating. All that you see, the white thing, it's the coating being burnt off. So you keep on moving your torch, don't keep it in the same place. Make sure that you don't burn anything. And give it a second to get cool. You don't want to apply water on there yet, unless you want to break the glass. So make sure it's cool to the touch, and watch what happens now once I throw water at it. All the water is sheeting. This will make a good install, no tacking, and I'll be good. So if you guys have any questions, just hit me up on Facebook or on the comment section of this video, and